Hello and welcome to CreekWatch. My name's Reed, this is Sid, and today we're going to talk about how to collect a pH sample within your creek. Now pH is the relative acidity of an aqueous solution. The pH scale goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Anything above 7
is going to be basic or alkaline.
And anything below 7
is going to be acidic.
Acidic, yes. So the general guidelines for aquatic life is anything between 6.5 and 8.5 pH. Now what does pH stand for?
pH, depending on your continent that you're in, is going to stand for the power of hydrogen or the potential of hydrogen.
That's it. That's a tricky one. Not a lot of people know that.
No, they don't.
That's a good one there. Okay.
Within that kit, you are going to have some test tubes, a colorimeter wheel, a comparative box, and then a liquid chemical called Phenol Red that's going to be your indicator solution.
All right, and what's the most important thing?
Your safety glasses.
Safety glasses, absolutely. So we'll start with those. Excellent.
Perfect. Now I'm going to collect some water samples. We're going to have a prepared sample and just a blank sample. So we're going to take both of these test tubes. We want to fill them up to the 5 milliliter line, which is going to be that bottom line right there.
Excellent.
Perfect.
So, right there you can see we're at the 5 mil line on both samples.
That looks good.
Okay, I'm going to set them back inside the colorimeter. Now what are we going to do?
So we are going to take our Phenol Red Indicator Solution and we are going to add this to our prepared sample. So our prepared sample is going to be on the inside of this comparative box, and I'm going to add 4 drops of Phenol Red to this. And you want to drop in the center of that tube so it's not going down the side. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, now lift that up. Let's see what it looks like.
So now it's kind of a pinky ready color.
Compared to this one. So that's our regular sample on the outside. I'll give that a nice swirl.
Perfect.
All right.
And now we can see what our pH level is.
All right, so what do we have to do to figure that out?
So to do this, we're going to take our comparative box. I'm going to hold it up to a bright light, so near the sun, obviously not directly on it. And I'm going to move our colorimeter wheel here until the color in both our boxes line up.
So this is basically an eye test.
Exactly.
Oh, okay.
Good thing I have my glasses on today.
There you go. Yeah, we gotta make sure that, there you go.
Can't really tell.
All right, so you can keep spinning that wheel. So where does it land right now?
And I would say that that is matching. So that is an 8.4 reading. Reed, do you wanna take a look too?
Yeah, let me take a look.
This is a good test to compare each other's eyesight, see if you line up.
Yeah, 8.4 is spot on.
Perfect.
Excellent.
So we have now just read our pH. We can record this on our data sheet. And now we need to dispose of our prepared sample. So I'm going to take my waste bottle. Maybe you can hold this for me.
Sure, I'll hold that for you. Excellent.
This test tube, our prepared sample that we put that Phenol Red indicator to, I'm just gonna dump that right out. And I have some nice clean water here. I'm gonna dump that into that prepared sample. Give it a little swirl, and you are good to go.
And there you have it. That is a real simple way of collecting the pH sample within your creek.